Hi, welcome to Beyond Photography. My name is Andrew. Today we're going to do a full review of Zhiyun's MOLUS B500 COB LED light. Right now, if you're looking for LED lights, the COB lighting element is the only one you should consider because they're efficient, light, and really bright at the same time. It's a 500 watt LED light, and the MOLUS B500 comes in at 2,700 ringgit Malaysia or in dollar. Good point number one, the B500 gives you two spectrum of color. From the very warm, and if you just press this button, it will become bluer and bluer, and finally one complete cycle. Or you can just turn the knob right here to get more precise Kelvin values. The CRI is 65% and the TLCI is 97%, which means that the color output from the B500 is truly accurate. If you want to understand more about CRI and TLCI, you should actually watch this episode where I discuss in full detail what it means. A good point number two, simple design. The light comes out here. There's a cooling fan here. There's another cooling fan here. There's another cooling fan here. There's a handle right here. There's a turning knob which you can press over here. And there's another one over here. And there's a swivel and there's an adapter for your umbrella. Simple as you can get. Everywhere you look, there are ventilating holes. And this is important because if you really want your light to last, it shouldn't be hot. And what I like about this, there's an LED display panel here, really small, that just show you Kelvin and the intensity of the light. But of course, if you press more things, you're going to see more things. Bowens mount with one bowl provided. And a little latch here that will allow you to quickly remove this, which means that you can easily fit in any of your favorite modifier. This little switch that you have here near the power cord, if you flick this switch on, it turns on the light immediately. I really hate all those LED lights. You have to press the button, hold it on to turn it on or turn it off, because in practical lighting, when you're on set, sometimes the director or the cinematographer would tell you that everybody kill the light when I say so. So we're going to give the cue. 1, 2, go. The light should go off. And the next good point, you can connect the B500 to Zhiyun's Vega app, which you can install on Android phones or your smartphone. I can increase the intensity and reduce. Oh, this is so instantaneous. Love this already. Look. And the best part is when the director yells, "Kill the light." And if ever we have favorite good points when we do review, this has got to be my favorite good point. This one right here. This power cord. Look at it. This power cord goes right into here with no power brick. 2.8 kilogram, which means that I can hold this with just one hand. It's not that light, but it's definitely not heavy because this whole thing is made of robust plastic. That really shaves a lot of weight. Alright, no products come with no bad points. Now, I must honestly say, this whole thing made of plastic kind of worry me because we have never dropped lights before, but lights are something that we do trash around when we transport them or we use them on set. So I really hope that it could be actually maybe aluminum or something like that, like most of the LED lights that I see. The next bad point, well, seriously, we struggle to look for the next bad point. If you really ask me what would be the next bad point, perhaps the LCD is just a little bit too small. But I'm nitpicking here. So in conclusion, that's all the bad point that we can really think for this product. I would seriously give this a 5-star. This is great enough for me. It's light to use, all in one. Tashan, how many stars?
5 stars.
The MOLUS B500 truly nails it. Small and bright. So if you like this review and you like our channel's format of doing good points and bad points, click subscribe, share this video. And manufacturers and brands, if you like us to do product reviews like this on your products, please send us an email. And remember, don't tell us what to say. We like to keep them honest and real, with good points and bad points, and waste nobody's time. And a turning button here. Ooh.